Today we want to check this our melon here, our old melon. See, we see one baby melon here. See, there is one baby melon there. Hope they will coming to big. I have also some new melon here. Now this sprouting. See. Hoping that it will coming big. Also one squash there, squash. I also plant squash there, so that maybe inshallah this will be grow big. After that we can inshallah we can also harvest squash here, and also the shoot of the squash also is good to our body, to our health. And see, our melon now is now coming to retard. But even though this our melon is coming to retard, but this little it give some fruits like this. See, there is one baby melon here, and also see the top in the top side. See, there is a ripe melon here. Yeah, see this. That is our melon. See, our melon now is old enough. See, downside there is no leaves. Already dry the leaves there, but we are happy. I am happy because some trunks is still giving off fruits. So I will check the other side. See, in this side I will checking no. See, the in this side the melon here is too much old. See, the leaves is already dry. Oh, see, only the trunks there is remaining, but this is still alive. It is still coming little shoots. See, but see here, there is one again giving one fruits here, one melon. See, alhamdulillah, one fruits again is giving. That's why our plant, if I plant something, even though there's our plant is old enough, I did not removing, I did not cutting, because of some plants, even though they are old, they are still giving up little fruits. Even though that is not the same as the first fruit that it gave before. It's big before this melon gave a big fruits before. So that's why I'm happy. But now, even though that my melon is old, it's still giving off fruits like this. Alhamdulillah. In this area, our melon here is yellowish color, because if you check the soil here, the soil here is mostly dry already. Yeah, dry. So this is also the problem here, no water. But when I walking here, this it give also fruits here. See, that's why our plants, even though this is very old, it's not stopping to give fruits. But you know, you see, if you check the shape of its fruits he gave, now it's not round, huh? See? like this coming. But alhamdulillah, even though any shape, even that is not rounding, only giving fruit. This I'm also thankful for this. Thanks to our God, because He let our melon to give fruits. Alhamdulillah. This is the one technique I making while this melon is ready to go exit or to retire. In this I put some seeds here. See, the seed is now coming. See, I put so that inshallah this one will going to retire, and then another plants here are growing, so that our plants here growing is continuously. And let's go other area. In this area, see, if you notice that the leaves here is yellowish color, but see, there's another melon here, very small melon. See, the shape of the melon is round, like, but it's very small. See, it's mature enough. But alhamdulillah, it's still giving fruits. That's why we are happy of this output of this our melon. Like, even though our melon is small enough, this is continuously growing. You hear that? That is the calling of prayer. Because this Saudi Arabia, this is the Muslim country, and in the time of prayer, there is a caller like this. That's why, because of the people who are sometimes busy in some social media, after that they hear this calling for prayer, so they will it will remind to need to go to Salah to pray. That's why here I think this is better, that there must be a caller for the prayer, because mostly the people are mostly now there is more social media. That's why we are always busy, and sometimes we are forgetting to attending the prayer because of social media. But thanks to this style of calling for prayer, so that we will remind us to go. See, alhamdulillah, another fruits here. Even that it is small, but inshallah we can harvest. You know that the fruit is little coming to yellow, so it means maybe after 1 week or this week, this will be ripe, and it's time to harvest. We will checking about our watermelon here. Check our watermelon is still not ripe. There is also one watermelon fruits here downside, alhamdulillah. Produce fruits here. Now we will again checking the other our melon here downside. That is our watermelon here downside, but that watermelon is still not ripe. This is my friend Doti. So thank you very much for viewer for this the update of our melon here. Thank you very much. And to those new viewer, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you again. See, we have a new melon reel. This melon here, even this melon is very young, but this is starting to give fruits. See, it is starting to give fruits here. Even this melon is very young. Before I remove that their first fruit, I already removed. And but after that removing, this melon is continuously giving new fruit. So I let this melon to grow big. Okay, thank you very much. So, alhamdulillah, we have old melon, and another is new melon here also. So our melon is continuously growing. Some watermelon is retiring, and some other is coming. Like this is the style of our planting. We are continuously planting because of I like to have continuously harvest fruits. That's why we are continuously planting of melon. After that, you see this. Now this melon is starting giving fruits. If you notice, there also one new melon here. This is the style of my planting. Continuously planting. Okay, thank you very much.